So let's start with GFG problem of the day. Carpet into the box, 19 January 23. Carpet into box, you have been given a carpet of size A into B, or also given a box of size C into D. And you have to fit your carpet into this box. So basically, yeah, you have to fit one rectangle into another rectangle. In one move, you can either decrease the length or breadth by half, or the carpet by half. Know that each even turn at every turn one can yeah, at every turn you can either carpet you can rotate the carpet by 90 degrees, and this does not count as a move. Okay, so there is also one thing which is given to you. This is basically, just a standard, not a standard, but just a brute force and a simple question. Like you have been given A, B, the carpet dimensions, and C, D, the box dimension, right? C into D. You have to fit your carpet into the box, so your both dimension of carpet has to be lesser than both the dimension of the box. That is the thing. Now there are you just consider it as two numbers, right? So your A should be less than C and B should be less than D, but it is also possible that you can rotate this. So okay, so if you rotate this, your 13 and 8 comes over here. A is already lesser than D, right? Like, it's this problem can be, very hectic if you go so much deep into the uh, you know uh, yeah, understanding like how carpet is having how carpet is moving, rotating, and how we are dividing this. But it is nothing, this question is nothing but just some brute force calculation of these four numbers, like A is equal to 8, B is equal to 13, C equal to 6, and D equal to 10. So there are two ways to fill your box with a carpet. Okay, there are two ways to fill your box with a carpet. That is, one way is this key, the dimension, you don't change the dimension. Like A goes to become C, and B goes and becomes D, right? In this way, go like B is currently becomes less than or equal to, and B is less than or equal to, which means, like, if I draw it, something like that will happen. So this is the, let's say, your carpet, right? Mm. The carpet, pretty a large carpet, and you have been given a small, box, small box it is. You have to fill your carpet into this box, right? Now there are multiple ways to fill this carpet to this box. Okay, one way is, you fill your, this is A dimension, right? Let's say this is A dimension, and this is B dimension, right? Let's say this is B dimension. Now this is C dimension and this is D dimension. This is D dimension in this case. It's like, yeah. Whew. The one way is to make your dimension A less than equal to dimension C, so that it is in lengthwise it becomes lesser than C, and your B lesser than D, right? In the breadthwise it becomes lesser than D, so then it can fill into this, something like this. And the other way which I'm talking, you can rotate this also, so you can keep it as, a dimension, you can rotate it. And the another possibility, would be fit your dimension A into your dimension D, and fit your dimension B into your dimension C. These are only two ways. There might be cases that one case is when already, because there are four numbers. Okay, four numbers, and 2 की power 4 cases I think would be there, right? 16 cases to in overall would be there. I don't know, something like that. But one case is when, when this is already good, when this box is fitting into this. So there are also two ways for this. Like, one way is that, and other way is that. If this condition is true already, like without even doing anything, then we can say, okay, the box is fitting into, carpet is fitting into the box, so you can just place it, and the number of moves would be zero. Move is equal to zero. And then there would be, instead of move, let's say ki, changes is equal to zero. You don't need to change anything. There might be the need that you need to change only one dimension. Like currently the scenario, it is, A is 8, A is 8, C is this, D is this. So what I'm saying this, that A is already lesser than equal to D, right? You just need to change this B to C. That is what you have to do. So you, let's say ki A is matching with D because A is less than D, and C is equal to 6. And to make this B equal to 6, you need to divide this one operation and it will make it 6. And then this is good, right? This is good. So this condition is satisfying, and that's fine. Like we just do one change. Okay, so changes was 0. One possible way is changes is 0. Another possible way is one changes. Second way is changes can be 1, or changes can be 2 also. Like when there is a possibility when you have to change both, but you don't need to see that. What I'm saying that you have to just brute force see all the possible ways. So these are the two possible ways. Calculate answer for this one, calculate answer for this one, and return the answer for the minimum one. Okay, what is the minimum among this? So that's what we are going to do, and that's what I have done over here. Multiple ways to do this. That's just me. Okay, reset the code, but have this. Okay, so there are two possible ways. One is make A less than equal to C and B less than equal to D, and another way is A less than equal to D, B less than equal to C, because rotation is allowed. So that's what we are gonna do. So let's store our temporary variable small a, small b, small c, small d, and TA, because I don't want to change my original A, because I need that in next time for also. So because there are total two operation TC TD equal to D. So now what I'm doing, while your TA, first I'm calculating the answer to reach this one. Okay, first I'm calculating the answer to reach this one. So while your TA is greater than TC, equal to pay, we don't need to do TC, and or your TB is greater than equal to TD. So both condition has to be satisfied. If any of them is violating, like TB is greater than TD, then also you have to do operation. Then you need to see specifically which condition is violating, and if TA comma TC is violating, then make it like that: TA divided by equal to 2 and x plus plus. Okay, the answer for this would be coming out as x. The answer for the next one will be coming out as y. We'll take minimum of x comma y, and that is all about this problem. So this, and shift copy paste, TB is greater than equal to TD, divide your TB by 2, x plus plus x I have not stored, I think, int x equal to 0. Now what you need to do, you just need to do this again kind of thing. Basically this complete thing you have to do again. You have to initialize your variable ta with again the original value of a, b, c, d, or you can do it y, and you can do it y. But in this case you are making a compatible with d, b compatible with c. So to make it, so d, if d a is greater than this, b is greater than c, greater than equal to td, c, yeah, that is all. Return minimum of x comma y. Okay, okay, there might be some observation you can do ki, no, this we should not do all this, because we can just do only one of this, because in this case it's only good to just convert your b to d. It's not good to convert your a to d because it's already lesser than this. So yeah, yeah, it's not good to convert your a to c and b to d. It will require two operation, but this require one operation. But you in the worst case you have to C for both, right? So minimum of x comma y. Let's run this. I think it should be fine. Try to submit this up. Yeah, so successfully passed. Okay, guys. So that's about it. Bye. Simple problem, brute force. You need to just see these two numbers and these two numbers. Either make a b equal to cd, either make a equal to c, b equal to d, or less than equal to, or the second way is a less than equal to d and b less than equal to c. The answer for this is y, and return minimum of x comma y. Minimum of x comma y. That's about it. Okay, guys. Bye.